President Trump on Tuesday announced a deal with Pfizer to sell its drugs directly to consumers at discounted prices. They'll be available through a website operated by the federal government called TrumpRx.gov. He said similar deals with other drug makers are in the works. The new website is part of a broader initiative the administration says is aimed at bringing prices paid by Americans, including Medicaid patients, more in line with those paid in other developed countries. The idea is sometimes called most favored nation pricing. Under the deal, Pfizer agreed to charge the same price for new drugs in developed countries and the U.S. The American consumers have been subsidizing research and development for the entire planet, Trump said in a press conference, joined by his health team and Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla. They put all of that on us, and yet they were the beneficiaries too. So it's been changed. I think today we are turning the tide, and we are reversing an unfair situation, Pfizer's Bourla said during the briefing. The TrumpRx.gov website is expected to launch sometime in 2026 and would take consumers to pharmaceutical companies' direct-to-consumer websites to fulfill orders, according to senior administration officials who briefed reporters on the condition of anonymity. Direct-to-consumer prices for Pfizer drugs on TrumpRx.gov will be 50% lower on average, according to a company press release. But there was a lack of important details on how the discounts were calculated. Specific terms of the agreement remain confidential. The release said, discount website would be for patients not using insurance. Other countries mostly pay less for brand name prescription drugs than the U.S. because they have government health systems that set drug prices. By and large, the U.S. doesn't set prices, so the drug companies can charge what the market will bear.